Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to learn about the ancient Egypt. Egypt is the country in North Africa. To the east is the Red Sea and to the north is the Mediterranean Sea. Most of the Egypt is desert with little or no rainfall. The river Nile flows north for 7,000 kilometers through several African countries. It flows through the whole of Egypt. Now, let's learn about the Nile River. The Nile River runs through the Egypt. Most people live along and around the Nile River. The area around the Nile River is green. Crops can be grown in this area while the rest of the Egypt is desert. The people of ancient Egypt depended on the Nile River to survive. Another important thing is floods. The Nile River would flood every year and leave behind a rich black silt that fertilized the soil. This was essential for growing food for everyone. A system of canals that led from the Nile were also used to water fields in the other areas. This is called irrigation. Crops and food in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians grew wheat and barley as well as fruits and vegetables like melons, figs, peas, garlics, lettuce and cucumbers. Flax was grown for making linen to make clothes. The Nile was also important for fishing. This was done in boats with nets. Transport and trade. There was no such thing as money in ancient Egypt, so people would trade by swapping things like pottery, food, jewelry, art, etc. Boats were used to travel up and down the Nile to trade throughout the country. Building and papyrus. Mud from around the Nile River would be used to make bricks for building. The papyrus plants around the river were used to make papyrus, which was the paper of the ancient Egyptians. Who were the pharaohs? The pharaohs were the kings or queens of ancient Egypt. They owned all the land, made laws, and received taxes from the people. Over 170 pharaohs ruled Egypt. There were 30 different dynasties, which are families of rulers. Ancient Egypt is famous for buildings known as pyramids. The pyramids was a special tomb. Pyramids were built to protect the preserved body and treasures. Pyramids were a symbol of power and wealth. Okay, why do we remember the pharaohs? We know about the pharaohs because the ancient Egyptian people wrote down about them. Ancient Egyptian people made pictures carved into rocks and painted onto walls about their lives. We remember some pharaohs because they ordered huge structures to be built, and some were powerful warriors. There were some famous women who ruled the Egypt as a woman. Hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and share to others. See you all in next video. Bye bye.